I decided to paint the original starter on 71C3 Corvette. Let's unwrap it, shall we? I wanted to start this video before I unwrapped it because I wanted to share you guys the benefits of using aluminum foil, which is that you can shape it to lots of things. It's easy. And it, of course, because it's aluminum foil, it completely blocks all of the paint. And so I've been using this since I started painting my Honda CB750 motorcycle. It works great on frames and things. So what I do is I'll put down the tape first, you know, like a line. Like I started this with just this little line of tape. And then you can put whatever. Look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good. Is it perfect? Probably not. But it's way better than it was. So I'm gonna keep peeling this off, but you get the idea. You do some foil. The thing I like about the foil is that it comes off super easy, because here, like I put tape, and the thing about tape, and then you paint it, it's okay, but it's just a hassle because you got to go in here, and now I'm having to go in here and peel off all these little pieces of tape. And the aluminum foil is just, usually it's way easier. This is coming off pretty easy, but sometimes it doesn't. And you just end up with, it's actually, yeah, not too bad. But you end up with having to pick the tape off, whereas the foil just slides right off. Okay. Back in a second. Let's take a look. So there we go. Here's the top side. Really tight space in there, but I think I got it pretty good. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Maybe a tiny bit of overspray right there. Super negligible. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So this will go up back under the car. Oh, one thing before we go, I want to tell you guys how to read the manufacturer date. I don't really care about this kind of stuff because it's not a judged car, but if you want to know when your starter was made and be a Corvette geek, you can do that. So on mine, it's hard to see, but there's actually a 1 right there before the L, and then there's a 30, and then there's a 2. 1 is the year. I have a 71, so if you don't know what decade your car was made in, then that's not going to do you any good. But they just put the last digit. L is the month. So I believe that is, let me count, A, B, C, D, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 12 December, according to my alphabet and numerical coordination skills. December what? December 30th. End of the year. So this was made in 1971, December 30th. This is when it rolled off the line. And which line did it come off of at the plant? It came off the second. So this would be the second assembly line, because they had, the assembly lines were numbered. They had more than one. I think they had up to 8 or maybe more. And then these numbers, I'm not sure. I know there's, well, this is the part number. Yeah. And it says Delco Remy USA. It's hard to see on this one, but yeah. 1, whatever your, so again, year, number. So 71, there's just a 1 on this. L, A through L. And then the day of the month, 30 in this case. And then assembly line. All right. Anyway, that's your Corvette geek info. if you have any other info or if I got something wrong, put it in the comments. And I'll just clean this front part up just because I can. A little more and we're good to go. I'm just waiting for the wiring harness. And we'll get this wired up and back in the car.